Today, we will explain the shot list section. In the shot list section, you can organize and edit your entire project faster than anywhere else. You can click directly into any shot description to rewrite or refine the content. And you can also set shot sizes, camera perspectives, focal length, and more using the dedicated columns. You'll also notice a small dialog bubble icon. This lets you add dialogue or audio notes separately, which will also be used later if you decide to generate an animatic. All scene headings can be expanded as well, giving you the option to add extra details about your locations. Any changes you make here will automatically apply to all shots within that scene. The same applies to lighting information. Choose one of the presets or create your own custom lighting setup for the entire scene. You can also move, duplicate, or delete any shot or scene using simple drag and drop. Altogether, the shot list overview is the fastest and most efficient place to structure and refine your entire project.